It's been a busy start to 2025 because, of course, we've seen Donald Trump inaugurated as the 47th US president. And already, only a few hours into his presidency, the things that he's announced are beginning to ripple through financial markets around the world. Some of the things that he's announced are a surprise and some were well flagged during his election campaign. So initially, he's reaffirmed his support for the oil and gas industry. And although oil and gas production in the US is already at very high levels, I would expect it to continue to grow. I think at the margin that is likely to create some weakness in the oil price, at least going forward, and we've already started to see that. His trade policy, interestingly, looks quite aggressive in respect of Canada and Mexico, but seemingly more conciliatory in the context of China. And it would appear that something that I thought was a bit of an outlier appears now to be more of a probability, which is that Trump will seek to negotiate some new sort of grand plan on trade with President Xi. And coming back to last week's news with respect to the UK gilt market, you may also be surprised to learn that a gilt auction of 15-year gilts was oversubscribed by 14 times, which indicates yet again what I said last week, which is that the hissy fit in the UK gilt market was entirely the product of what was happening in US Treasuries, and indeed there appears to be very healthy demand for UK debt.